everyone. So today's nature art huddle is making a fort. And what your fort is whatever you imagine. So later I will be showing you 2 examples of how I imagine a fort to be, but you don't have to copy them, whatever you imagine. So the special thing about this fort is that it's parents out. So it's children only. Sorry parents. So this fort is to be made by everybody, so your parents can help you make it. But if you want them to come into the fort, you can, but they have to answer a special password. So I'm going to give you just a few wee seconds here to come up with a password in your head. And once you're ready, then we'll carry on. So start to think about your passwords for your fort. I'll give you a few wee seconds. Okay, don't worry if you haven't thought of it yet. It might come in your head while you're making it. But now I'm going to go out into the forest and take you with me, and we are going to see how I thought that I would make my fort. So now it's your turn to make some forts. So I encourage you to get outside while the weather's nice and make your forts. So you saw that I made 2 different types, one using a bed sheet and then the other just using what I found in the forest. So don't worry if you're not near a forest, you can also do this outside in your garden and use things that you've found around the house if you can't get to a forest. I really look forward to seeing all your beautiful forts, and remember to make your passwords. Have fun!